In this video, I'll show you how to create a Grammarly account and set up the app step by step so you can start improving your writing right away. Whether you want to use Grammarly on your computer or in your browser, this guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Grammarly sign-up page. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to create a new account. To sign up manually, enter your email address, create a password, and type in your name. If you want a faster option, you can also sign up instantly using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. This is especially useful if you want to get started quickly without having to remember another password. If you sign up with your email address, Grammarly will send a confirmation code to your inbox. Open your email, find the message from Grammarly and copy the verification code. Then return to the sign up page and enter the code to verify your account. This step is important because it confirms your email and activates your new Grammarly account. Once that's done, you'll be taken to your Grammarly dashboard. Now that your account is created, it's time to set up the app based on how you plan to write. Grammarly offers different versions depending on whether you want to use it on desktop or in your browser. If you write documents, emails, or content on your computer, the desktop app is a great option. If you mostly write online, then the browser extension may be the better choice. For the desktop version, go to the Grammarly dashboard and click on Apps in the left-hand menu. From there, choose the download option for your computer. If you're on Windows or Mac, download the installer file and open it once the download is complete. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Grammarly on your device. After the installation finishes, Grammarly will begin integrating with your desktop apps and word processors, helping you catch grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and writing improvements as you type. This is one of the biggest advantages of the desktop app because it works across many programs and gives you writing support directly inside your workflow. You don't have to copy and paste your text into another tool every time you want to check it. Instead, Grammarly works in the background and helps you write more clearly and professionally. If you prefer to use Grammarly in your browser, install the Grammarly extension instead. This works with popular browsers like Chrome, Safari, Edge, and Firefox. Just download the extension for your browser, add it, and sign in with your Grammarly account. Once installed, Grammarly will automatically check your writing on websites, email clients, and online documents. That means whenever you type in supported text fields, Grammarly can highlight issues and suggest improvements in real time. After installing the version you need, take a few moments to sign in and make sure everything is working properly. You may be asked to allow permissions so Grammarly can assist with writing and editing. Accept those prompts so the app can function correctly. Then test it by typing a sentence in a browser or document and see how Grammarly responds with suggestions. And that's it. You've now created your Grammarly account and set up the app successfully. From here, you can start using Grammarly to improve your writing, catch mistakes faster, and write with more confidence every day. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.